If you are not growing, you're dying. Tony Robbins said that. Are you willing to move past myths that perhaps have blocked you from creating an estate plan? We debunked some common myths on this week's episode of Women Winning Wednesdays. Hi, everybody. I'm Elsa W. Smith, your Maryland estate planning attorney and the host of Women Winning Wednesdays, a show with a mission to empower women through estate planning. We debunked 10 myths about estate planning this week, and I'll share 3 of them here. Number 1, when I give my daughter access to my bank account, she can only use the money to pay for my medical expenses. Myth. That's what you hope will happen. And it probably will because, if she's a responsible person, that's what will take place. But legally, she has the right to use the money for any purpose if she is an owner on the account. That means she can take a quick trip to Cancun with the money you have in that account. Myth number 2, I don't need to worry about incapacity until I'm much older. And listen, in an ideal world, this statement would be true. However, we never know when an accident, injury, or illness could strike. The last 2 years should be proof enough. Creating legal documents that plan for incapacity is an important safety measure. Having incapacity documents in place means your loved ones will have the power and the tools they need to help care for you if needed. And myth number 3, I just need a simple will. Most people approach estate planning with the opinion that their estate planning needs are quite simple. The truth is, most people have estate planning needs that are much more involved than they realize. Some estate planning, considerations need more thought and involve planning for, say, guardianship of minor children, account for estate taxation, children with special needs, and let's not forget blended families. Okay, like I said, these are just 3 of the myths that I shared on this week's show. Let's recognize that some of the myths we believe are meant to keep us in our comfort zones. I want you to ask yourselves, have I allowed these myths to stop me from creating an estate plan? There's a saying that, once you know better, you ought to do better. Today, I want you to commit to doing better for yourself and those you love. To view the entire episode and learn what the other estate planning myths are, you're going to have to watch the entire show. I'll post the link to the video below. I'm Elsa W. Smith, your Maryland estate planning attorney, empowering women through estate planning. I'll see you in my next video. Take care.